let us understand how the defect of vision occur, and how they can be corrected. The loss of power of accommodation of an eye results in the defects of vision. The defects of vision are also known as defects of eye. They are myopia or nearsightedness, hypermetropia or farsightedness, presbyopia. These defects can be corrected by the use of suitable spherical lenses, concave or convex lenses, in the form of spectacles or eyeglasses. Note that these three defects of vision are called refractive defects, because they are caused due to incorrect refraction of light rays by the eye lens. We will now describe all these defects of vision, and correction one by one in detail. Myopia, or nearsightedness. Myopia is a defect of vision, in which a person can see nearby objects clearly, but cannot see distant objects clearly, because the image is formed in front of the retina. A myopic eye has its far point nearer than infinity. It is caused due to increase in curvature of the lens, that is due to high converging power of eye lens, because of its short focal length, or increase in length of the eyeball. Here is image of a distant object in front of its retina. This defect can be corrected by using the concave lens. This has the ability to diverge incoming rays. After placing the concave lens in between the eye lens and light rays, the image is allowed to form at the retina. Formula for calculating the power of the correcting concave lenses: 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. To calculate the power of myopia, correcting lens with object distance U equal to infinity. Image distance V equals person's far point focal length. Here we need to find out focal length F equals. Hence, lens formula becomes 1 divided by far point, minus 1 divided by infinity equals 1 divided by focal length. 1 divided by far point, minus 0 equals 1 divided by focal length. Therefore focal length is equal to minus of far point. In case of a concave lens, the image is formed in front of the lens. Focal length is equal to minus of far point. Now formula for calculating the power required for lens, P, equal to minus 1 by F in meters. Hypermetropia, or farsightedness. Hypermetropia is a defect of vision, in which a person can see distant objects clearly, but is not able to see nearby objects comfortably and clearly. It is caused due to reduction in the curvature of the lens, or decrease in the length of the eyeball. A hypermetropia eye has its least distance of distinct vision equal to 25 centimeters. A hypermetropic eye has its least distance of distinct vision greater than 25 centimeters. Here the eye is able to see only the objects which are located at greater than 25 centimeter distance. To correct this defect, convex lens is used. This has the ability to converge incoming rays. After placing the convex lens in between the eye lens and the object, image is allowed to form at the retina. To calculate the focal length for hypermetropia eye, with object distance U is equal to minus 25 centimeters. The lens formula is 1 by V plus 1 by 25 equal to 1 by F. Power of the correcting convex lens. The lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F. In this case, object distance U equals minus 25 centimeters, image distance V equals defective near point, F equals how much? Hence, lens formula becomes 1 by V, plus 1 by 25 equals 1 by F. This formula is used to calculate the focal length f, and hence the power p, of the correcting convex lens. Presbyopia. Presbyopia is a defect of vision in old people, in which they are not able to see nearby objects clearly, due to the increase in the distance of near point. Presbyopia is caused by weakening of ciliary muscles, or decrease in the flexibility of eye lens. Let us know in detail about presbyopia defect, and its correction in detail. Sometimes old people are not able to see both nearby and distant objects clearly. It is possible that the same person can have defects of vision like myopia, and as well as hypermetropia. It can be corrected by using bifocal lenses consisting of both concave and convex lenses. The upper part is concave for correction of distant vision, and the lower part is convex for correction of near vision. Here we should remember that, for old people, crystalline lens becomes milky and cloudy. This condition is also known as cataract.